Hello everyone. Are you ready for another video where we will be discussing about another set of opportunities which is coming your way? I hope whatever videos I've already uploaded, you're using it to apply it to various universities for fellowships or scholarships. So stay tuned, wherein I'll be putting in 4 or 5 more opportunities which you can use for getting a better future for yourself, maybe some good scholarships, maybe some internships. So first we're going to talk about NEST, that is National Entrance Screening Test. Now the applications are open to it. It is a compulsory test for students seeking admissions to National Institute of Science Education and Research, most popularly known as NISER, having 2 campuses at Bhubaneswar and University of Mumbai, Department of Atomic Energy Center for Excellence and Basic Sciences. Now, the candidates admitted to this program are eligible to receive an annual scholarship of 60,000 rupees through Disha program of the Department of Atomic Energy, Government of India. In addition to these scholarships, the recipients receive a grant of 20,000 per annum for the summer internships. Again, this is not all. Top performers at NISER securing overall grades above a certain threshold at the end of the program are eligible to appear directly for an interview for admissions to BAC, that is Bhabha Atomic Research Center Training School. Second, we are going to talk about is the Anant Fellowship Program. It's a flagship program at Anant National University. Now, this year, it is designed to inspire thought-provoking ideas through thought leaders and build environmental solutionaries through a multidisciplinary and interdisciplinary curriculum and hands-on experiential learning process. Now, the applications are open for the same. Now, fellowship is curated and designed definitely by the experts from the fields of design, architecture, technology, liberal arts, even management. Now, it involves field visits, studio sessions, workshops, seminars, and the academic credits are awarded through graded coursework program. Third, the UN Online Volunteer Program. It offers the high schoolers a unique chance to contribute to global change from home, supporting United Nations projects on issues like education, climate action, and peace building maybe. So by volunteering online, the students collaborate with diverse teams worldwide, gaining practical experiences in research, communication, and problem solving. Basically, all the skills which are needed in today's, corporate world. And this can help boost their resumes for college applications or even exams like UPSC. It is a flexible, impactful way to grow personally, understand global challenges, and build a sense of purpose. Well, you don't need to travel also. Then, fourth one, University of Bologna, Italy. It offers a fully funded scholarship for international students through various programs, with the most prominent being the University of Bologna Scholarship for international students. Now, it is often tied to initiatives like UNIBO Action 1, which means a full waiver, and 2, that is study grants with full tuition fee waiver. Now, these scholarships, they aim to attract talented students from around the world to pursue undergraduate program or maybe even a master's. Now, fully funded scholarships based on the current and recurring offerings as of 25 and 26 academic year. So if you are looking for these kind of opportunities, probably this video would be the right one. I'll provide the links in the description box below. Make sure you apply for the same. All the best, and keep watching and keep using whatever opportunities are coming your way. Thank you.